I finally found the best routine that works for me. Hey everyone, how you guys going? Welcome back to my channel. This is the best channel for those who are wanting to gain weight by building muscle. In today's video, I'll be sharing what I eat in a day to gain muscle. So this video is perfect for all of you guys out there who are looking for some food ideas, recipe ideas, quantity ideas to gain muscle, as well as how to spread out your meals and snacks throughout the day. Now, the most important part of this video is that I finally found the best routine that works for me as per my current work routine as well as my child routine. And which is why I'm able to eat what I eat in a day, and I'm able to maintain that consistently every single day. And this has surely helped me improving my appetite, which you will see further in this video as well. Now, before I get into the video, let me just say that by no means you have to eat what I eat, and by no means you have to eat the number of calories I eat. These things differ for every single one out there. So make sure to watch this video first and try and understand how many calories your body burn in a day and what should be your calorie consumption every single day to gain muscle. And once you've calculated that, then go watch this video so that you can understand what your macronutrient split should be, so that you know how much of carbs, protein and fats you must consume every single day to reach your goals. And lastly, stay tuned till the end of this video, as I will be sharing the best pointers that you guys can take away from this video so that you can form a routine and get going. Alright, let's wait no more and let's see what I eat in a day.
I eat oatmeal most mornings because I just love it, and it's super easy and quick to make, as well as I can just increase and decrease the calories depending on how I know my rest of the day is going to look like. It is a decent sized breakfast, but it is high in energy and high in calories that you need, and which is why I really love having oatmeals most of my mornings. Now, I try and finish my breakfast by 8:30 because my new workout time is at 10:30 a.m. and this timing is working out superbly for me because I eat my breakfast, wait for about 2 hours, let my breakfast start releasing energy that I need for my workout. I get through my workout before I start working, as well as before it's my daughter's nap time or her lunch time. And by the time I finish my workout, I am not too close to lunch time, so that means I will have time to have my protein shake and will have enough time for that protein shake to start digesting before it's time for lunch. So then, just about 20 minutes before I have to hit the gym, I take my pre-workout drink. This is the one called C4. It does the job, it hits in the right spot and gets me all pumped up to start my workout. Now, my workouts are usually about 1 hour long. So by the time I get home, it's around 11:30, and that is the time when I take my whey protein by My Protein. I take 2 scoops of this protein in about 250 ml of full cream milk. So lunch is pretty big and loaded with calories for me, as after my workout I get really hungry, and this is the time where I consume the most amount of food, and I make sure that I replenish myself with all the energy that my body requires. So today I'm having a black bean wrap. Now, I always switch the beans with either peri-peri chicken or paneer cubes or any other kind of beans on different days, just to keep the variety going. So I let the video play so that you can watch the recipe and you can then try it at home. The reason why I love to have wraps and sandwiches for lunch is because not always you're going to be home. So if you have something like this pre-planned for you, then you can always carry it easily and take it away with you, no matter where you're working from, no matter where you're studying from. It's easy and convenient. So the best thing you can do for lunch is wraps, sandwiches, rolls and things like that. This makes a perfect lunch, as it is high in calories, loaded with energy that I need after my workout, and it's amazing in taste. And trust me, you crave for more even after you finish them both wraps. Now, some days I can eat both the wraps together, while other days I eat the first wrap, then wait for about half an hour and then go for my second wrap. Then around 4 p.m. it's time for another snack. So today I will be having 2 boiled eggs and a protein bar. Now, I usually love my protein bar from My Protein. As you can see, it's loaded with protein and carbs, but I'm out of it and I've placed my orders. So in the meantime, I'm having this oat bar, which is usually for my daughter, but I think I'm gonna have it today. So for dinner, I'm having a very basic Indian dinner, and that is why I haven't included the recipe. It's just a basic chickpea curry, chole curry, and I am having some rice and some salad and a serving of this high in protein Greek yogurt. My last snack of the day is at around 9 p.m. Now, depending on how good my day has been eating wise, I decide what I will eat at 9 p.m. Because today has been fairly good, I'm having a rice cake with peanut butter. So there you go guys, this is what I eat in a day. Of course, a few of these meals and snacks change every other day, but the aim at the end of the day is to eat enough calories that can support my goals so that I can keep growing.
As I mentioned earlier, here are some of the pointers that you can work on after finishing watching this video. Firstly, find the best workout time that fits your work schedule or your study schedule, right? Once you set that time, then place your snacks and meals around it and form a routine that you know you can follow at least 70 to 80% times of the week. Now, it is important to set a routine so that you can eat around the same time to be able to develop that appetite that you lack. And once you have improved your appetite by following a routine, then it will become a lot more easier process to follow, to eat, to consume, and to grow. And the most important pointer is to make sure that you're getting enough rest and enough sleep, because what I've noticed is the nights that I don't sleep well, the next day it becomes harder for me to cope up with my workouts and to even eat the regular food that I eat. So basically, all the videos that I've shared with you guys so far has all the information that you need to get started and to get growing. So put it all together, form a routine, follow that routine, and there will not be any looking back after that. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you on Thursday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time with another fun shorts video. Till then, look after yourself. Bye guys.